Speaking English confidently starts here. Hello there, company leaders. Welcome to the Be Fluent Show for influence and affluence in your global business relationships. I'm Leonilda Renaldo, your host. Have you ever started a meeting or a presentation with, "Sorry for my English"? You're not alone. And today, we're going to stop doing that because it's not humble, it's harmful. In this 5-minute episode, I'll show you why apologizing does more damage than you think and teach you one sentence you can use instead that boosts your credibility and confidence. We apologize for our English because we think it's polite. But here's the thing. When you start with sorry, you are teaching your audience, your listener, to doubt you. Saying sorry is not cute. Saying sorry for your English is not cute. Sorry is a big word. Let's use it for something serious. Let's use it for a deep apology, not for our accent, our grammar, our pronunciation. Do you see what I mean? Now, why do we apologize? We apologize, again, because we want to be polite. And what we do instead is make ourselves really small. It's not the kind of word that leaders or aspiring leaders use in the global workplace. Your accent is not a mistake. It's a map. It tells the story of everything you had to learn to be in that room. That is power. What I want you to remember here is that apologies make your presence small. Now, when you take ownership, when you own your accent, then you expand your presence. Now, here's what you can do instead. Instead of "Sorry for my English," now get your notepads out, get your notebook, your pen, and write this down right now. This is your actionable tip. Let me know if anything is unclear. I will rephrase. Something else you can do is write, "I may say things differently, but I'm here to connect and contribute." That is pretty simple to say. Yes, it's a bit longer than "Sorry for my English," but it will give you so much credibility. It will give you the confidence you need to remember to speak your presence. Speak your presence. Here is a third phrase you can say. "English isn't my first language, but I'm confident in what I'm saying," or "I'm convinced in what I'm saying." These phrases redirect attention to the value you bring instead of your perceived lack. These phrases redirect attention to the value you bring, not what you don't bring. Okay? Now, I want you to try this challenge today. Choose one phrase. You don't have to use all three. Choose one phrase to replace your next sorry. Write it down, practice it, record yourself saying it, use it in your next call, meeting, or introduction. Let your English reflect progress. Okay? So let's wrap this up here. If this resonated, share this episode with the last person who told you they were too nervous to speak up in English. Or tag me in socials on LinkedIn, Instagram, and tell me what phrase you're going to try this week. I'm looking forward to hearing this. Next time we meet, I will teach you how to respond with confidence when you forget what you were going to say. I know this happens all the time. So I want to teach you how to show up confidently when you forget your words. I want you to stop waiting and start speaking. Let's do this, everybody. Have yourself a great day. And thank you for taking me with you in everything you do today. Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in. I truly appreciate your time and connection. Let's keep the conversation going. Join our email list, connect on social media, or book a personalized strategy call with me. Remember, true fluency means embracing your authentic self, even when your English isn't perfect. Until next time, this is Leonilda Renaldo, your language and communications coach.